Hi there, this is Grandma. This is a story for Isla this time. It's a story from the farm. It's called Clop and it's by Nicola Smee. Who wants a ride? Asks Mr. Horse. Me, please, says Cat. Clip, clop, clippity clop. I want a ride too, please, Mr. Horse, says Dog. Up you get, says Mr. Horse. Clip, clop, clippity clop. What about me? I want a ride too, please, Mr. Horse, says Pig. Up you get, says Mr. Horse. Clop, clop, clippity clop. Don't leave me behind, says Duck. Up you get, says Mr. Horse. Can you go a little faster, Mr. Horse? Asked Cat and Dog and Pig and Duck. Of course I can, says Mr. Horse, but make sure you hold on tight. Clippity clop, faster, faster, clippity clop, faster, faster. Clippity clop, clippity cloppity, clippity cloppity. Whoa, stop! We're falling off! Squeal Cat and Dog and Pig and Duck. Mr. Horse skids to a halt, and Cat and Dog and Pig and Duck fly through the air and land in a haystack. Plop, plop, ploppity plop. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dearie me, says worried Mr. Horse. Again, cry Cat and Dog and Pig and Duck. Up you get, laughs Mr. Horse, and Cat and Dog and Pig and Duck go riding off again. Clip, clop, clippity clop. What a nice story.